Theta coin isn't one of actually your typical coins. It gets its worth from being utilized as an impetus for the economy of a decentralized video sharing stage. Theta Network has had a bustling 2020 recording organization, with different undertaking validators like Google, Binance, along with the resulting dispatches of Theta 2.0 and 3.0 at last paying off. Theta coin got some activity rolling in 2021, yet slowed down in 2022 amazingly. The pace of video web-based on the planet is soaring consistently, expanding goal. More transfer speed requests. Individuals need all the more extremely successful approaches to real-time recordings. Theta makes it conceivable to share your additional transmission capacity and streaming assets with different clients and procure the local Theta accordingly, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta 2023 and then some. Presently we ask, how next will Theta respond? We can evaluate that by utilizing how it has acted up until this point. The improvement of different drives and overhauls in 2023 will emphatically affect Theta's value, which is very huge. This could push it to its greatest objective of around $2.662. Notwithstanding, a potential market slump could make it drop to $1.479, which is its most minimal level. Considering its bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost could be at around $2.250. The group behind the Theta project fundamentally is supposed to team up and take on urgent drives to keep up with its force. As a matter of fact, this could prompt its rise as a promising new resource. Then again, the cost of Theta could commonly go up to around $4.388 by 2024, for the most part, because of the rising number of financial backers. The absence of occasions could make Theta go through liquidations. Therefore, its help at $2.341 could be deficient to support its activities, in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that the group behind the undertaking dispatches new associations and coordinated efforts with unmistakable associations, the cost of Theta could fundamentally increment in the really next 3 years. In the event that the task keeps on working on its activities and ceaselessly update its highlights, then the cost of Theta could go up to around $5.865. The private and brought together nature of the ICO of the Theta network really is adversely influencing its activities. On the off chance that it doesn't work on its construction and take on an essentially more productive trade system, it could lose huge for the most part potential. Definitively, Theta's organization expands in 2 tokens and furthermore NFT. In its as of late sent off Theta 3.0 organization, furthermore, its tokens remarkably and keenly planned tokenomics makes Theta entirely at risk to detonate in the closest future upon more extensive reception of the organization. Considering the rising requirement for a more successful video web-based other option, specialized examination. The specialized examination of Theta for the most part is very fascinating. For the truly beyond 2 years, Theta cost development has been simply specialized driven. Specialists are blasting their necks in specialized devices, attempting to foresee a Theta stable example in years ahead in a significant way. Taking our investigation organizes from November 1, 2020. The cost made a critical low at the as of late framed help, started by the especially week after week request zone. The interest zone pushed the value up to the 0.8 cost level, after which it got dismissed, and wound up framing an obstruction zone, which the cost would later gather solidarity to break out of before long. Right from mid-October, the cost, in the wake of experiencing opposition, began to make a reach that got broken with an overwhelming candle on December 8. To retest the generally made obstruction, it got basically dismissed again to retest into the reach zone, where it accumulated request solidarity to push higher, and got the obstruction zone broken with immersing candles, showing the bulls have overwhelmingly assumed responsibility for the market orders, or so they in a real sense thought. Theta's cost had a 30+% expansion from the help zone to the obstruction zone prior to breaking out, which is very huge. Q1 2021, or so they thought. Since the December 8 breakout, the cost has kept a bullish construction of by and large better upsides and lows. The bullish cost especially had an algorithmic development thinking about how its negative retest finished at the 68% lie zone at 2 distinct occasions in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, the zones had comparative cost history, in that there was an institutional solidification at the zone cost to resume to the purchase side. Theta demonstrates its development is algorithmic driven, very much like in every way that really matters, numerous other monetary instruments. Past the first basically break of the kind of everyday high making a higher high, the value retested to the disadvantage, and had a conjunction with SR flipping. That is a situation where a previous obstruction goes about as a helper the other way around. Be that as it may, for this situation, The opposition went about as help and held to push the cost vertical, which is genuinely critical. They had one more visit until spring subsequent week, yet couldn't keep going long to invert the value development to the drawback. After enduring the short union, the cost figured out how to pull higher, acknowledging about a 90% increment, taking the ETH from $8 to $15 for Q1. This presentation was a record breaker for holders of Theta, considering its phenomenal move starting from the start of Q1. And that cost was all the while playing around $1.2 in January. However, in only 3 months, it sort of acknowledged about a 900% expansion, catapulting its cost from $2 to $15. Q2 2021. Cost began at Q2 with a reach design, kind of a collection demonstrating groundwork for a purchasing development, which unquestionably worked out subsequent to moderating Q1 ETH, driving value further to around $15.9, recorded as the most recent ETH. After hitting this ETH, cost encountered a negative wick dismissal, which is very huge. It supported the groundbreaking lower development of the value that broke the last especially low construction to make a lower low at the value worth of $9. Conjunction with one of the past interest zones, demonstrating that the general day-to-day market structure is currently negative. The volume marker showed a negative strength, and the RSI was over 68. That especially is an overbought zone, demonstrating a forthcoming bears season. After the everyday bows, the value figured out how to pretty lengthy, yet got really dismissed at the kind of common 68% lie zone level, likewise juncture with SR flipping. Yet for this situation, it especially was a help that turned opposition. Cost dismissal made liquidity, which got moderated by a short vertical cost to $13 on May 10, 2022, with a relieving request block that ideally could respond to cost development later on. The market kept up with its recently accomplished negative design, making worse high points and worse low points to another previously encouraged interest zone of $3.5 $4. The interest zone held and truly had the option to push the value back to the potential gain. Q3 2021. The interest zone left a B2's light or a request block flame, later be tried incredibly. Cost repurchase to the generally made supply zone on June 4, which opposed the value a bit, got retested once more, yet couldn't be broken, abandoning an everyday OB. This supply zone has since been controlling the ongoing cost state. Value offered to the May 23 request block pushed the expense for the potential gain a bit, framing liquidity that was subsequently moderated to the interest zone underneath, not later than it was made, which is genuinely critical. What generally is Theta? Theta is a shrewd agreement-steady organization that works on streaming experience and CDN. By utilizing decentralized blockchain-empowered streaming innovation, individuals can procure the Theta local for the most part token by sharing additional data transmission and streaming assets. The Theta network has two in every practical sense, essential tokens, Theta and tfuel. We're zeroing in on Theta token